Ngayon, pwede nating bilhin ulit yung US dollar and we have gained $403. I'd just like to share with you the steps on starting with forex trading. This portion I have discussed during the Money Summit. So there are just 4 steps. Know your broker with regard to regulations, ECN or STP broker, do they have a local office, and online reviews. With regard to regulations, wala po tayong regulations dito sa Pilipinas ng mga forex brokers. Ang may regulated lang ngayon is the stocks. But hopefully, magkaroon din ng regulating body within the forex market dito sa Pilipinas. But worldwide, we are under-regulated by the CRFIN in Russia and the IFSC in Belize. So with the European markets and worldwide, we are licensed there. So wala po kayong pangamba doon. And next is the ECN or STP broker. What does this mean? ECN means Electronic Communications Network. And STP means straight through processing. So this means kung ano yung ilalagay yung order within your computer, kung nasan man kayo, basta naka-login kayo sa platform namin, your order will always be sent to the market. Diretso ka agad yun. Kasi some brokers have dealing desks. So yung mga dealing desk, they control the price doon sa dealing desk na meron kayo. So kapag nag-enter kayo, i-hold muna nila, then they will do their own price. So medyo may discrepancy with the real market value. So what you see here in our platform, automatic agad yon. Kung ano yung makikita nyo sa Bloomberg or sa CNBC, that is what you will see. And then you're sitting here in our local office. Madali naman, mas maganda rin naman po na may makakausap kayo here within the Philippines kung may mga concerns po kayo with regard to your trading, with regard to your deposits and withdrawals. And if you search us online sa FBS, meron po kami mga reviews. You can search anywhere in the internet. Of course, may mga konting mga negative reviews, but those are because of their fault din eh. Minsan may mga discrepancy with regard to promotion terms and conditions. But yes.
Yun nga yung may nag-offer sa amin yung sa Katakpao.
Yes.
Yung sabi mong sa $100,000, sasakay ka lang doon. Yung parang yung ride mo lang doon, ride mo lang. Parang sila yung...
Meron pong ganun. I have worked with other brokers like that.
Marami kasing company yun eh. Kahit bumagsak daw yung isa, hindi ka malulugi.
We have, I don't know exactly, but I think what you're referring to is a PAM account or percentage allocation money management. It basically, let's say, kunyari po, kanya-kanya kayong pera, ako yung magte-trade. Well, sadly po ngayon sa FBS, we don't have that system po muna. We're currently developing that, but I think what you're referring to is, let's say, may 10,000 sir, 10,000 sir, 20,000, 30,000. Then, ipupool yun hanggang sa maging 100,000. If we earn $10,000, idedepende yung profit mo kung magkano ba yung nilagay nyo according to your percentage. So, percentage allocation talaga siya. So, i-divide din yan. But, for now, we don't have that. We will be developing that sooner or later, hopefully within the year, matapos na siya. But, yeah, we'll get to that. Sa mga promos po natin, I'll discuss later yung mga current promos natin.
But,
yes po.
Yung FBS, ang permit nito ay nasa Russia at Belize.
Yes.
So, this is a very small country. Bakit?
Well,
Mas maliit lang na country sa South America.
Yes.
So, wala kayo sa Philippines?
Ang mga licenses po natin sa Philippines we are SEC registered, tsaka may license po tayo sa BSP as a forex dealer po.
So, sa US hindi kayo?
Ang mga US markets po, well, wala po kaming US market talaga in essence. Kasi the US market, the US citizens are only allowed to deal with US brokers. So, if a US citizen comes here in the office and asks, I want to trade, but we will decline po talaga. Kasi we will not be able to...
Bakit Russia?
Russia ang bang...
Well, Russia because po, Russia is the location of our main office. So, doon po kami nagre-report din.
Alam mo, play of words na alam mo yung KGB, alam mo,
Yes.
napatawa lang ako eh. Kasi FBS yun eh. Ano pa kaya natin? FSB ngayon eh. Yung KGB, FSB kaya, pakati yung FSB pakati yung Russia na KGB.
Hindi naman po.
Hindi yung ano lang naman, medyo pati tumawa ka. Yung KGB.
May mga KGB, mga mafia daw
FSB
ng
na ngayon yun eh.
mafia version ng Russia.
Ano pangalan yun ng KGB?
Any significant reason why Russia is being the promoter of this and not, let's say, another country?
Well, the owners of this company are Russians po talaga. So doon po ang main headquarters namin.
I mean, what is in Russia that makes this a good company for Forex?
Most of the forex brokerage are located around Europe. So this one exactly FBS is located in St. Petersburg po in Russia. So mostly mga European markets din, US and European markets talaga ang nagli-lead when it comes to forex market worldwide. So we are glad, we're blessed that we had the opportunity to partner with them and bring the brand here in the Philippines.
And what's the history of that being available now in the Philippines?
Well, here, we worked first as parang agents before. Kumbaga, we signed a contract with them as introducing brokers. And when we nag-meet po kami, nagbukas yung last year nung May 2014, nagbukas po kasi yung Vietnam office. Nag-grand launch sila. And instead of the bosses coming here to the Philippines after the Vietnam, I had the opportunity to go to Vietnam na rin po and meet with them and celebrate po. So, from that history, that's the history of FBS Philippines po. Nagkita kami sa Vietnam and we started, na-prove naman po namin yung mga sarili namin dito that the market here is very promising. Binenta ko po sa kanila yung Pilipinas. And they're happy about it. And they decided, okay, let's put a small office muna. Then let's work from there. Then hopefully by next year we can also transfer to a bigger office, maybe extend a new branch sa Fort or Makati. So that's
Yun lang
the
malaking tanong ko rin eh. Kasi bakit sa Russia?
bakit sa Russia.
Anong leverage natin doon? Ibabagsak yung economy ng Russia.
Well, wala naman po tayong magiging natin. Wala po tayong magiging risk with regard to that kasi may mga liquidity providers din po tayo all over the world. Ang mga pera po ng mga clients po ng FBS are separated from different bank accounts, different banks. So, hindi po tayo magkakaroon ng problema doon.
Pero isa pa, kasi
Yes.
yung trading sa currency, dalawa yun eh.
Opo.
Yung dalawang currency, di ba ang ating pinaglalaban, yung oat at saka base.
Base.
So pag-aaralan mo yung, kung ba, an example, Great Britain pound.
Opo.
Tapos pag-aaralan mo rin na yung US
USD
dollar.
dollar.
Hindi katulad sa stocks na bibili ka lang mo, gusto mo San Miguel. Di San Miguel lang babayaran pag-aaralan mo. Eh dito kasi dalawa yun eh. Kaliwaan yan eh. Pag-aaralan mo yung dollars, pag-aaralan mo rin yung
Yung
pounds.
pounds.
So yung
Yes.
economy ng US at saka yung Great Britain.
Yes.
Kaya dapat mabilis ka dito, di ka tulad, di ba?
Mhm.
Ang computer daw bro, di ba? Sa lamang kaya eh, di ba? 0-1 lamang, 0-1. Dito, dapat split second, pinag-aaralan mo yung dollar, pinapag-aaralan mo rin yung pounds. Kinakailangan talaga eh. Medyo diligent talaga, pero diligent tayo
Yeah.
dito.
We have tools po kasi with regard to analytics. May partners po tayo with that and normally may mga sinusundan po tayo economic calendar. With the economic calendar, may mga certain times po of news releases. One of the biggest events po is the first Friday of the month, which the US dollar releases the non-farm payrolls or what we call yung lahat po ng mga jobs, magkano ba ang nilabas na payroll, pasweldo sa mga trabahong hindi related sa agriculture, sa mga non-farm. So this includes the banking industry, the technology industry, whatsoever. So ibig sabihin po, if the market gives out a big chunk of money as salaries, ibig sabihin maraming nagtatrabaho. Pag maraming nagtatrabaho, maganda yung ekonomiya. So if maraming pinasweldo, maraming buying power ang mga tao. So mas maganda ang economy. So may mga schedules po tayo for that. Especially when we trade, if you're saying po, maganda po yung example nyo, GBP and USD, kasi sometimes po, nag-overlap sila ng time. From 8 p.m. to 12 midnight, bukas po yung London market and bukas yung US market eh. But with regard to USD JPY per se, Bukas po yan ng 8 to 5 yung Tokyo, and around 8 p.m. po hanggang 5 a.m. na yung ano. So magkahiwalay na market, but you can always trade naman po with that. May mga certain indicators po tayo, may mga certain events na maaabangan natin na we can plan ahead. Hindi mo kailangan mag-monitor ano bang nangyayari ngayon sa US dollar, ano bang nangyayari ngayon sa GBP, baka tumaas. Ang maganda po dito is more of what is the stronger currency. Kasi right now po, as I can see, yung rate po ng peso is bumababa. I mean, tumataas numerically pero yung value ng peso bumababa. Last few months ago lang, nasa 44 naglalaro. 44, 43, 44, 45, ganyan lang. But now it's at 46.85. 47 na nga, which a few months ago ang forecast lang po namin is 44 to 46 eh. Ngayon lumagpas na ng 46, so it might go up to 48 or even 50 the next year, lalo na po mag-e-election. But right now ang ginagawa po namin is the Philippine market is not really bad. The Philippine market is actually booming. It's just that the US market is really just so good na na-overlap niya. So, if this is US dollar and this is the Philippine peso, tumataas yung Philippine pero tumataas ng gusto yung US dollar. So, in comparison, mas bumababa pa rin yung peso. But in reality, that's just the exchange rate. But in reality, sobrang ganda ng dalawang markets. It's actually the Chinese market
Paano
na.
nga kayo nagpo-forecast? Kasi alam ko nagpo-forecast eh.
Yes. We'll go on to that later on po. May mga analysis tayo. So, you have to learn how to trade, of course. We will give you the opportunity to learn here in this setting po. You can invest in yourself. Talagang sa sarili niyo po magsisimula yan. What I like about this career is that I developed myself then as a person. Hindi lang sa pagdating sa negosyo, hindi lang pagdating sa trabaho. But as a person, it disciplined me. It built my discipline as a person. So, you can research online. Marami tayong mga resources with the Forex market, manuals, may mga classes. And here, we give out classes like these. So, this is more of a basic type naman po. And I hope you can invite then others. Next is, you can ask around. So, FX Bazooka is our analytics partner. It is also partnered by FBS. You can read news articles online. May iba-ibang mga Forex websites all over the internet. And you can join online forums. May mga forums na specific for a certain currency pair. May USD, GBP, or gold minsan. And you can have coffee with me. So, tawagan nyo lang po ako. And first coffee is mine. Is my treat. So, yun lang po. So, we can discuss. Kasi iba po yung, when you learn how to trade, iba yung theory. So, iba yung marunong ka na. And, let's say today, ano ba yung nangyayari sa market? If you know the market, if you know how to trade, but you don't know the market, medyo mapapag-iwanan ka. Kasi, yung buy mo today, maybe sell tomorrow na. So, if you bought tomorrow, malulugi ka kung pababa yung market. So, you should have sold nung sa opportunity na yun. Next is practice trading. So, we can open you a demo account to start with. You can develop your strategies. May mga iba-ibang mga... This is how the MetaTrader 4 looks like. I will show you later on yung mas malaki. But, iba-ibang mga indicators. Marami yan. Sir.
I've talked to several people. They are good people. They have money. And I'm inviting them to invest in, let's say, stocks. And this time is Forex. Their most often response to me is they do not have the time to monitor, to do these things. Now, can somebody like that invest in Forex trading?
Yes, sir.
And how do I answer them?
The Forex market is, sinasabi ng iba, is not for everyone. But for me, Forex market is for everyone who is willing to learn. So, ang investment nyo po dito would be, of course, your initial investment. But, personally, your time to learn the market. But with regard to monitoring, yan po dyan nagkakaiba yung perception ng mga tao. Because we can actually program yung mga trades natin. If wala yung market pero may specific price ka na gusto mong i-trade, pwede yon. So if you have entered the market at 1.00, sabihin mo at 1.1, out na ako, close na yung trade, pwede yon. So we can just leave these levels. Kahit iwanan mo siya offline, kalimutan mo magbakasyon ka, pumunta ka ng US, pumunta ka ng iwanan mo yung computer mo, as long as you go back and log in again, makikita mo na kung nasan yung trade mo. So if it hit that level, either stop loss or take profit, makikita mo na lang yun sa history mo. So you can trade and forget. But of course, we'd rather have you learn the market, how it really behaves. So how do I trade? Well, we want you to be the best trader here in FDS. So kaya tayo may mga super trader programs. But just like a tripod sa camera, there are 3 legs that we have to develop. First is the analysis and strategy. Dito po pumapasok yung fundamental, technical, and sentiment analysis. We will discuss that po. Meron din tayo risk management and trading psychology. So with these 3, we're sure na you will have your success in forex trading. Basta stable po itong tatlong to. If you have analysis and strategy, alam mo yung mga gagawin mo sa market, alam mo kung kailan mag-buy and sell, you know how much you will risk for this trade, but you don't have the trading psychology, naninervyos ka. Pag nalugi ka, natatakot ka na kaagad, or pag nananalo ka, pag you profit every so often, nagiging gambling na siya, na trade ako ng trade para lang kumita ng kumita. So weak yung foundation mo. So if you have analysis and strategy and trading psychology, but you don't have the proper risk management, you might be trading more than you should. So baka maging greedy tayo pagdating doon sa risk management, na this career po kasi, you can actually double your money or even triple your money overnight. Yes, sir.
Right now, we're using the term trader.
Yes.
Of course, we'd like to invite as many people as possible, in retail. But for somebody to identify himself as a trader may not be as popular to be identified as an investor. Now, is it possible to also call this as forex investor? Is there such a thing?
When it comes to investing in forex, right now po kasi, I think when we say an investor, it's more of you give the money and then just let it be. Someone will trade for you, you just have to see kung kumikita ba o hindi. Right now po, wala pa tayong ganong option. So what we do here is we open the opportunities for future traders for now. But of course, we will be venturing to that later on, hopefully nga po, within this year. So if someone will invest, pero may mga traders din po who will be trading for them, that is a possibility po. But we don't have a timeline for that yet. And again, going back po, in this investment or in this trading, we can actually double or triple your money overnight or even in hours. Totoo po yan. But you can also lose your money within hours or overnight. So yun po yung tinuturo namin with regard to risk management. Hindi po pwede na pababa yung market, sell na tayo lahat na, hanggang sa okay, doble, tapos biglang nag-whipso. Umakyat ka agad yung market and then you just lost all of your money. Hindi pwede na ganun basta-basta. And kung wala ka namang analysis and strategy, meron ka risk management and trading psychology, pero bumibili ka kung kailan dapat nagbebenta ka, so talaga you will lose money.
Paano kung wala lahat?
Ayun. Mahirap po talaga yun po. So,